Hi everybody, hope you're all doing good. Welcome to Excel Prop Marketing Services. Today, this is the sample apartment of Godrej Ananda. First, we'll look out and then we'll talk about the coming phase. This is the washroom along with the shower. Then we have the room, living area with balcony. Dining is there, kitchen, utility. Then comes the master bedroom. Master bedroom with attached washroom to it. Now let's talk about the coming phase. Coming phase is phase 3 in Godrej Ananda. People who have finalized in phase 1 and phase 2, firstly congratulations to everybody. If you are watching our video, don't forget to refer if any of your friends and family who are interested buying in the coming phase. Alright, so coming phase is gonna be very attractive. The plans, if you look out the design that they are coming up with, the layout plans, specifically 2 BHK Jodi and 3 BHK Jodi, on the concept that they'll be coming in the coming phase. So that's one of the attractiveness of the project. Of course, yeah, they come up with the good plan and the attractive prices and they'll sell off. So people who have already invested in the last two phases, they already know the appreciation, how much they have got it, right? Last 2 years. So last year phase 1 they launched, and last year phase 2, and this year very soon, mostly this month or coming month. We are expecting this month they might launch it. Official confirmation, we are also eagerly waiting for the confirmation from builder side, so to know the actual date of the launch. All right, so that's one of the thing. And the second, there are a lot of the attractiveness of the project. Everybody is aware about the area development. Everyone is are aware. So people who have missed an opportunity, if you're still interested, don't forget to miss out this time, because this is gonna be with larger dimension. This is gonna be with attractive plans. This is gonna be with attractive prices. All these things will be coming in one phase. That is gonna be phase 3 of Godrej Ananda. Location of the project, to those customers who have not known of this property, comes in Aerospace Park, north part of Bangalore. This is in Bengaluru, Karnataka. This is, we call Namma Bengaluru. So there are possibilities where they also come up with the larger 3 BHKs. Last time they had Jodi unit of 1429 square feet approximate, and this time we heard that there are chances they might also come up with 1600 square feet. So that's that's going to be a unique concept, because in this entire aerospace, none of the developer has 1600 square feet apartment. So maximum 1562 is the larger one what Prestige has, and then 1561 Brigade has. And then most probably this month or the next month, Godrej might break a record coming up with the larger 3 BHK unit of 1600 square feet. Well, we'll wait and watch, because that's not the official confirmation from builder. So once if we come to know the actual the dimensions and everything, we will try our best to keep you posted. The reason why I'm making this video, to make you aware, if be ready if you are planning for an investment, of planning for yourself, for the self use. This area is going to be an attractive location in coming years. The reason why Brigade and Prestige are handing over this year. So another 2 years, 3 years, you will see a lot of apartments will get ready, and a lot of families will start staying here. So the people, see, everybody is aware in the market, right? The prices have gone high in East Bangalore, 2 BHK 90 plus, North Bangalore 90 plus. North Bangalore means like closer to Tanisandra, Hennur, Yalanka. All these areas may already pricing touches 90 lakh if you're looking out for somewhere close to 1050, 1100 square feet, right? So if you're looking out with the 60-65 range with 1000 close to 1000 square feet, then this is the location for you. The Aerospace Park, again, this comes in North Bangalore, very close to International Airport. the I will I mean the uh, what are the best of developments which are happening here. We have financial district, aerospace park, a lot of things, right? Reach us, we'll share our number description for further details. Thank you so much for watching us. Stay safe everybody, have a nice day.